pink one. We got a yellow one. We got a purple one. And we got a white one. We got all the colors in this. So, yeah, that's it. It's like in the dumpling box. Now let's go to the next one. It's going to be the small one. Rainbow Orbeez. Let's go to the next small one. Yeah. I got a blue dumpling. It feels like a needle. It's blue and glittery. Now let's move it to the big one! It's so nice. It feels like a real dumpling. I'll post another video when I get dumplings.